When the year comes to an end, I tend to look back at my life, and it seems like this collection of big moments, the reunions, the celebrations, the blissful summer. But what about all of those moments in between? This video is just a collection of moments that have somehow missed my radar this year. And I think I'm making it more for myself than for you guys, because I've been very unfair, telling myself that I'm unhappy for 12 months straight, and I just needed to see a little bit of proof that I do have plenty to be grateful for. This video was also the perfect chance to test out the Hanser, because they reached out to me asking to test their new software. So if you'd like to see my process on color grading, you can watch until the end, where I'll show you a little bit of my process.
Jeszcze modlitwa biblijna. Dziękujemy Ci, Panie Boże, za naszą rodzinę, za błogosławieństwo, którym nas obdarzasz każdego dnia.
Idziemy na spacerek? Idziemy? Gdzie idziemy?
Te kurwy zapierdalają! Marcin!
Trzeba być
Te kurwy! Ja się uspokóję!
Dostałem.
Bo dostałem karty. I obie były czarne. Brawo! Brawo! Marcin, nie kłamiesz.
sensu dla was totalnie, ale mimo wszystko warto robić rzeczy. No i tyle, no.
Can you show me how many parts the key has?
Step 1. Step 2.
Maybe I do say onion.
No, you don't say onion. I got it wrong. You say onion.
Onion. The accent on the O.
Yeah, it's like O instead of A.
Onion.
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 It's like, it's honestly as if it was with a U. Onion. Like union, but
They write O, I read O. Onion.
To jeszcze będą 2.
Pokaż jakieś dzikie ruchy.
Chodź Marina. Chodź do domu. Do domu chodź. Do domu.
A teraz powiedzcie Amalka. Amalka! Wow!
Miasto, zaczęcie szczęście dym, kiedy nule zastać. Manierzenie ze wstydu, znów oglądam Shreka, inny jeden czekam, patrzę prosto w ekran, nie potrafi presak.
Wow, guys, that's like oh my god, oh I need that.
Cześć! Dzień dobry! Dzień dobry! Dzień dobry! Tata przyjechał! Gosia jest! Gosia! Przyjechała Gosia!
Mega super to jest.
O, i tak się będziesz kręcić.
w okolicach Manchesteru przede wszystkim, to jest to, że po prostu zaczynało brakować wody w bardzo dużej ilości kanałów. CRT też doradzało ludziom, żeby wypłynęli z zagrożonych miejsc wcześniej, zaopatrzyli się w większej ilości wody pitnej, w jakieś ożywienie, ponieważ może dojść do takiej sytuacji, do której zresztą doszło w wielu przypadkach, że te barki osiadły na miejscu, nie mogły nigdzie wypłynąć i nie było też jak uzupełnić tych kanałów wodą, bo to jest ją problem. Więc czy z jednej strony osoby, które na barkach mieszkają,
Okay, 2025. Not as bad as I thought. So let's talk about the color grade of this video. I created it using Dehancer, which is a film emulation plugin, and they reached out to me asking if I wanted to try it out and review their new desktop app. Let's start with a game. I'm gonna show you 3 groups of photos. In each one, there is one photo taken by a film camera, and you're gonna guess which one it is. So, how many did you get? For most of these, I used the presets that are already loaded there in the app, but on some of those, I played with the sliders myself, and it's a lot of fun. I honestly really like the app. I think as far as film emulation, it might be the best one out there, but I would like there to be some more of the basic tools like cropping, flipping. This way, we could do everything in one place. Now, when it comes to the plugin itself, it works with different softwares, DaVinci, Final Cut, Adobe. This video was particularly hard because every single shot has a completely different lighting, different colors, it's different settings, and I had to really bend over backwards in order to make this grade look good. But I did love playing with different film stocks, and it's crazy how much it changes the entire process. I feel like this is much closer to the actual darkroom experience. To show you how I color grade, I'm gonna use the opening sequence. I copy the nodes and I make sure that the colors are set to default. Next, I spend time getting my exposure right using masks and gradients. I want to show you my grain and halation, which I put at the beginning on purpose, and I know it's not what Dehancer recommends, but when we shoot on film, these effects are integrated into the negative itself, so it's gonna give you a very strong look. Then we have DCTL. I'm gonna link a video down below explaining this plugin. It's free and I used it to separate the colors. Next up we have Dehancer. You're able to input your camera, then you choose your film profile and you can play around with those, but I will say these come on pretty strong right off the bat. The next thing I use is film compression, and this is affecting the tonal range. That's how we're gonna get rid of those ugly bright whites. I also use expand, which is pretty self-explanatory, and print, which is my favorite section of Dehancer. You have to be careful with color density. It's gonna make them super rich, but the reds sometimes go crazy. So usually when I worked with skin tones, I didn't go all the way to the 100. And that's pretty much it. So in the end, I went for a pretty strong look, but you don't have to. Dehancer gives you the option to control every single detail. So overall, I really like Dehancer. I would probably use it on a project which has a bit more consistency, and definitely if I wanted to emulate a certain film stock. Let's talk about the disadvantages now. For me, the first is the color control. We are given some tools in the color head section, but it's definitely not enough. The second and the last flaw is actually quite big because it's the pricing. It starts at $25 per month, which is a lot, especially if you're a beginner or if you're already paying for stock footage and music websites. I have a discount code for you, so if you'd like to try Dehancer yourself, you can get 10% off with my code ARKOVIDIA, or you can use my affiliate link in the description below. On to the most important question, which is, do you need it? And honestly, I don't think you do. I'm sure I could achieve a similar look with just the tools that I have available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. It would be much harder if I had the free version, but maybe it would still be possible. But that is the question. How much time do you want to spend on it? And maybe it is worth to buy something that's going to speed up your process. I'm really pro gear minimalism. You just really need to think about what look you're trying to achieve and then pick a few things that you're going to invest in and stop looking online for other things that you're still missing, because the list is endless, let me tell you. And buy used if you can, whenever you can, buy used. All of my gear, excluding the microphone set, was bought secondhand. I think it's terrible that all of those people excited to begin their filmmaking journey get blocked by all of the stuff they don't have yet. You can really create amazing art with the gear and software you already have. And someday along the way, Dehancer might reach out to you and say, hey, we'll give it to you for free. Let that be the moral of the story. I honestly don't know how they found me, but I am very grateful and I recommend Dehancer, and click the link in the description. I'm gonna finish this here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this sort of videos, please let me know. Recently on my Patreon, I did a deep dive about filming and editing a music video that just came out. So if you're interested in that, you can also check it out. The link is down in the description. And thank you to The Answer. If you want to try it out, there is a link. Okay, thank you so much for watching. The sun is already gone because I live in Poland and it's winter.